Hello, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna test and show you the window type LG inverter AC. I think this is 0.75 HP or 1 HP. I don't know exactly. Now this is the control display and this is the fan motor. We're about to wait I think 3 minutes to turn on the compressor. The error code of this guys was CH02. Now let's take a look what's gonna happen if our repair and troubleshooting might be successful. Guys, this is connected to the compressor and it is we are always monitoring the amperage, voltage and power factor correction. See, every time we repaired we have to monitor that so that we can immediately know if there is malfunction on the circuits. Okay, guys, we'll wait a couple of minutes to see if it's gonna work properly. Again, I repeat, the error is CH02. Now guys, the compressor is turning on. Okay, okay guys, our repair is successful. By the way guys, the problem of this, I replaced this sensor, this one. I replaced this one, and also the series resistor of this because it's a high resistance. Supposed to be, it should only be 1K, but it's going to 2K. That's why I replace. Okay guys, thank you very much for your enduringly watching my videos. Until the next videos, see you.